Good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the great outdoors and hunting. This is yet another hunting video, and it was just kind of awesome actually this morning when I came in here. Just as we're coming in the park, an eagle sitting right just off the road. Hopefully I've got some good photos on my phone, and if I do, I will insert them right about here just because it was a really cool thing. I tried to get out the truck with the camera here. I didn't have this camera ready, and he decided to fly a long ways to the back of the clear cut and park himself in a tree. So, well, let's see how he does, but it's just awesome to see an eagle out here in the morning. At any rate, we're about to embark upon another little hunting excursion. As I've discovered here, as you can see in the background, there's a target right up there. Somebody's been here and doing some target practicing. Judging from the holes in the target, I'd say it was a BB gun or a 22. Actually, it looks more like BB gun. Yeah, those are BB guns. That's a BB gun. So they were out here with a BB gun shooting. At any rate, it just means that, you know, I knew more people came to this zone, but hopefully no one discovers it too much. I'm putting up my trail cams here today during the excursion, and I'll start coming back here once a week and pulling the trail cams. This is December 5th, I believe. Let's double check that. Today is December 5th, 2020, and this is my last chance for hunting. Hunting season ends on December 10th, so with a little luck, we'll get a deer. If we do, you're going to see the filming of me gutting a deer. Other than that, it'll just be the average talking and see how it goes. At any rate, it makes for a really exciting morning just to see the eagle though. So without further ado, we gotta load the gun, get it all ready, and let's rock and roll for hunting. Off we go.
You ready?
Ready as all of me. Off we go. Let's see what the world brings us today.
This guy.
Fresh in here. Ooh, that one looks kind of fresh. No, I haven't been here for a little while.
Like the desert longs for the rain, I've been missing you. Yeah, it's so good to see your face, can't stop kissing you. Girl, I never stopped hearing your song, and my heart kept singing along. In the quiet times you fill my mind, and never thought of anything but love gets left behind. Just knowing you're around turns the crazy upside down, and I feel like I could fly. You make the bad feel good and the good feel amazing. I've already won before I ever start playing. Every moment you were rolling along, I was praying, knowing you were trying to get back home to your baby. Girl, I never stopped hearing your song, and my heart kept singing along. In the quiet times you fill my mind, and never thought of anything but love gets left behind. upside down and I feel like I could fly. You make the bad feel good and the good feel amazing. I've already won before I ever start playing. Before I ever start playing. There's something about being with you that can paint a gray sky blue. The quiet times you fill my mind, and if thought of anything but love gets left behind. Just knowing you're around turns crazy upside down, and I feel like I could fly. You make the bad feel good and the good feel amazing. I've already won before I ever start playing. Oh, before I ever start playing. Democracy is dying. Sad to see it go. The folks who could save it, they're all lying low. The politicians yell and scream, making little sense. When, oh when, will they get off the fence? So who will save us? Who will take a stand? Otherwise we're lost. Freedom's dying in the land. So come on, people, it's time for us to fight. We've got to stand up now before we lose that light. Democracy is dying. Sad to see it go. The folks who could save it, they're all lying low. The politicians yell and scream, making little sense. When, oh when, will they get off the fence? Good people are dying, shot down in the streets. Thugs are starting riots and sending out false tweets. They blame the peaceful protesters when they're behind the crime. We need truth more than ever. Let's act while there's still time. Then there's a pandemic, it's stalking everywhere. But some people just ignore it. They act like they don't care. But soon will come a reckoning. More folks are gonna die. We're all in this together. Please let's not take sides. Democracy is dying. Sad to see it go. The folks who could save it, they're all lying low. The politicians yell and scream, making little sense. When, oh when, will they get off the fence? Democracy is dying. Sad to see